I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to teach you super tricks. If you use these tricks, you can solve all these numericals from zero order and first order. Let's see, for example, I'll show you one question how fast I will solve. For example, see this competition between you and me. First rotation, you have answer two means option C is the correct answer. See the next question. Then it will be option C is the correct answer. Like this, do you want to solve the questions? Are you ready? Then begin the session. If you like this video, click on the like. Let's say, just follow me what I say. For example, initially 100 moles of the reactants are there. Time taken for converting 100 to 50 is called half a life. So let's say 50. For example, 50 is my initial concentration here. Let's see, begin from here, half a life. Okay, so 50 to, don't worry anything, just 50, half of 50, how much? 25. Half of 25, 12.5. This also easy. Half of 12.5, 6.25. This also you say. Little you will stop here. 6.25 half is 3.125. Okay. Here 3.125 half is 1.5625. Tell me up to here. 50 half 25. Next is 12.5. Next is 6.25. Next is 3.125. Next is 1.5625. Okay. At least 1.5 you can remember. No. Next half is 0.78125. Instead of that, a simple trick is 0.8. Okay. And 0.39 next half of that. Round it off, you can use 0.4. Again, half of this is this much bigger value. You can round it off and take 0.2. And again, half of this will give this one, but round it off 0.1. So now repeat it. 50 half 25, 25 half 12.5, next is 6.25, next is 3.125, next 1.5, after that 0.8, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1. This sequence you remembered, right? Easy, no? Now, let's see how we can do it. These are the numbers which we did now. Okay. This is 50. I am taking same number, 50. I am taking same number. Half of 50, how much you got? 25. Add to this. 75%. Let's say this is 75% of the reaction at a 75%, means 75% of the reaction completed. Reaction completed, how much? Reaction completed. So if they ask how much amount consumed also, T 75%, nothing but how much consumed also, 75% of the reactants consumed. Reactants consumed, if they ask in question, reactants consumed, if they ask in the question, 75% consumed. How much is left? 25 is left. This yellow color is left. This is consumed. This and all consumed. How you got it? 50 plus half of 50 is 25. Again you take the same number, 75. Half of 25 is 12.5. Add these two. You will get 87.5. Again take this 87.5. Same number, half of this. 6.25. Add it, 93.75. Again take the same number, 93.75. Half of 6.25. Then 96.85. Again take the same number what you are getting. Half of this is, add it. In such a way, take the every number what you are getting, half of the sequence. You keep on adding this to that numbers. You check it out. Then what I am getting? I am getting some other number. Ma'am, what is the sequence? You are taking 50. Means 50 means 50% of the reaction completed. T 50%, half of the reaction completed. This is 75% reaction completed. 87.5% reaction completed. 93.75% completed. 96.875% completed. This is the reactions completed. Okay. If they ask you T 93.75 reaction, I mean 93.75% of reaction completed, what is the half-life? Or half-life is this. Then they ask that what to do. Let's say one shortcut I'll tell you. This is half-life. One half-life. T 50% means one half-life. I will write this side better. This side is correct. This is T 50% means 50 where is it? That is 1 half a life. 1 half a life. T 75% means 2 half a life. Easy. This one is 3 half a life. This is 4 half a life. This is 5 half a life. This is 6 half a life. This is 7 half a life. This is 8 half a life. Okay, this is 9 half a life. This is 10 half a life. Students, see now how easily you will do it. 100 half is 50, you came to know. This is half a life, right? Then 50 half 25, half 12.5. Half of that is 6.25. Half of that is 3.125. Half of that is 1.5. Then again 0.8, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1. That's it. Now see how you will do it. This is first half a life, the time required to make the initial concentration exactly half. Now this is 2 T half. This is, I will tell you how to relate and you can solve the numericals. 4 T half, 5 T half, 6 T half, 7 T half, 8 T half, 9 T half, 10 T half. If suppose they give you a question like this, let's say for example, before any question, let's say half a life time is given, some they have given 30 minutes is the time. The reaction completing in 30 minutes, sometime 40 minutes or 50 minutes. Half a life also they were mentioning us. Okay, half a life is some 10 minutes they have given us. Half a life also they gave in the question, and total time taken for the reaction or after 30 minutes also given. So N is equal to total time taken is 30, half a life is 10. So given time taken, formula is time taken divided by T half. You use the formula, then you will find the number of half lives. What you will find? N value. Here N value how much? Total time taken 30 divided by T half is 10. So number of half lives are 3. So find like that N value for the given reaction. So once you find that number of half lives are 3, then the amount of substance left, if they ask, that is 12.5. What is that? Let's say for example here the time taken for a reaction is 40 minutes. T half of the reaction is 10 minutes. Number of half lives how many students then? 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 half lives means amount of substance left. Amount of reactants left. Like this you can find. So how much amount of reactants consumed if they ask? Not left. Sometimes they will ask left. Sometimes amount of reactants consumed. Amount of reactants consumed, sometimes they will ask. Trick is reactants consumed, sometimes they will ask. Then the trick is just this number is there. No, this is left. Consumed means 100 minus this much is left means the remaining is consumed. So 100 minus 6.25. How much it will be? 5, 9 minus 7, then 99 minus 6 is 93. So 93.75 moles of that substance is consumed. Here is this is the 93.75 related, right? So these percentages, these whatever there, no, this is consumed. Okay, this yellow color one is amount of substance which is left. Easily you can do, no? Now let us see the question. See here how I did. A first order reaction has a half-life of 15 minutes. So half-life is given how much? T half is 15. Now what is the percentage of completion of the reaction? Reaction completion percentage they were asking. Then how much minutes after? 30 minutes. So number of half-lives how much? Total time taken divided by T half. that is 30 divided by 15, that is 2. Number of half-lives are 2. If number of half-lives are 2, then what is the formula, students? Tell me. Number of half-lives are 2. See here, half-lives are 2 means 75% of the reaction completed. That is nothing but 75% of the reactants consumed. If they ask how much amount of substance left, 25 is left. That yellow color, half you have done, not that one. Easy. Let's see. This one, what is the answer? 75%. Now, for example, the half-life of a first order reaction is 8 hours. T half how much? 8 hours. 8 hours. Now, can you tell me, they were asking that, what they were asking? Approximately after how much time 99.9% of the reactants will be consumed? So, last formula, do you remember? T 99.9% equal to 10 T halves, we got it. See here, this formula if you see T 90, this is total 99.9%. This we can write it as T 99.9% or 99.9% of the reactants consumed. That is equal to 10 T half. That's it. In the given question here, half-life is given how much? Of a first order? 8 hours. So 10 into 8, that will be 80 hours. This is the formula. Easy? See the next question. Will you try this question? This is the question which is given here. I will do this question. Next question you try. In the first order reaction, after 8 half-lives, how much was the percentage of the reactants consumed? Oh my god, 8 half-lives means how much? Can you try? 8 half-lives. From last you can come. Last is 0.1. Top of that is 0.2. Top of that is 0.4. Double you are doing now. You got it what I am telling? See here 0.1. Double of this is 0.2. Double of this 0.4. So this is 0.4. From 100 directly you can subtract that 0.4. You will get this number 99.6. Got it? This is the 8 half-lives one. Very easy. This is 100 minus this number. If you do it 0.4, you will get it 99.6. This is what? 99.6 is the answer. If they ask 7 half-lives, how you will calculate? Last is 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.8. This is 1 half-life. This is 10 half-life, 9 T half. Then it is 8 T half. This is 7 T half. So if they ask here 7 T halves, then how much is consumed? This is left, right? Left. So how much is consumed? 100 minus 0.8 is consumed. This is left, right? This is left, right? Left. So 100 minus 0.8 is left. Remaining is 99.2 is the amount of the substance which is consumed. Means T 99.2% of the reaction is completed. 99.2% reaction is completed. See here, 7 T half. If they ask 6 T half, at this time this much is left, this much is consumed. Easy. Now will you try this? Half-life of a first order reaction is 15 minutes. Approximately what percentage of reactants remains after 75%? First calculate N. By using N you will come to know number of half-lives. Then based on that you will find it out how much amount of the substance which is left. Okay, that's it. I want to see your answer in comments and let me know how this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next video. Bye students. Have a great day. If you want to learn like this many tricks, you can attend Komali ma'am classes.